cool. As you can see, I finally got to work out today, so I'm super beat. I also did an exorbitant amount of Japanese homework, so we'll see how long this lasts. Yeah. Okay. Whew, all right. Dosho, nani o iyo? Jikan ga nai. All right. Dosho. I'm not sure. Nani o iyo? What do I do? Jikan ga nai. I'm out of time. Okay. Dosho is what do I do? Nani o iyo is what do I say? Which is weird because like hanasu is to say, so I don't really know how that happens. Jikan ga nai. We just did literally in the homework I did today, jikan, which is like an amount of time. So like ichi jikan would be like 1 hour. So jikan ga nai would be time none. So there's no time left is like, I'm not sure how we get to that out of context, but okay, anyway. Densha wa tsugi no eki ni tochaku shimasu. Densha wa, the train, tsugi no eki, maybe it's in, so into the station. I feel like it's like the train pulled into the station or something. The train stops at the next station. Oh, right, shimasu. Okay. Yeah. Not shimashita. Okay. Sono ona no hito Sona ona no hito mo onaji eki de orimashita. The woman also onaji eki de. The woman also got off. The woman also got off at the same station. Hey. Okay, cool. We also just did mo in the vocabulary, so that's pretty rad. I skipped a sentence. Cool. Tried to turn the page. It was not time to turn the page. Ayako wa ishoite densha o orite okina koe de sono hito ni hanashikakemashita. So Ayako isoide, I don't know what that is. Densha o, so the train, orite, big, so okina koe de sono hito, the person, hanashikakemashita. Something about said something to the person. Ayako got off the train hurriedly and got to talk to the woman in a loud voice. Ano, konnichiwa. Hello. Sono hito wa henji o shimasen deshita. The woman henji o something shimasen deshita did not. The woman did not answer. Soshite aru iteimashita. 。 and she just walked away. Okay, there's some weird like verb conjugation going on, but overall I feel pretty good about that. And weirdly serendipitous that I picked up some of the vocab from the section that I was just doing for homework, and it applied directly. Like sometimes I wonder if Genki synergizes intentionally with this or not, or it's just very serendipitous. But either way, happy with that. So I'm gonna call it. Ciao.